Hello, I'm Travis with Technical Prospects. Welcome back to Tech Tips. In this series, we're talking about the SOMATOM Go with Syngo Native. Today, we're going to learn how to fix your online help content.
A useful function within Syngo Native is your help, which you'll find in the upper right-hand corner, either clicking the question mark or hovering and selecting help. There are occasions where your online help fails to open. It will give you a message saying unable to retrieve help content. Please contact your administrator to check if port 8090 is allowed on your network. The help function does not live on your network. It is within your host computer. I will show you one way to correct the help function, but it is always recommended to have a current backup of your system. Let's get started. The first step is to disable Kiosk and enter the Windows environment. We are going to use the tab, delete, plus key on your number pad. Within the prompt, we are now going to enter our administrative user. Now in the Windows environment, use the Windows key and R to pull up a run menu and type CMD. We are going to elevate our command shell using the run as command. Run as /user : enter your administrative user space CMD. Enter your password. Now that we have an administrative command open, we will navigate to cd space c : program files. Using the tab button, press it a second time for program files x86 /Siemens /KGW. We are now going to remove our web app for our help file. Enter RD to remove the directory, work /web app space /S space /Q. The commands must be entered exactly as seen on your screen. Click Enter. With the directory web app removed, we are now going to unzip our help file program. We are going to run the command bin /unzip web app folder.cmd. Click Enter. The folder has now been unzipped. Next step is to reboot your system. Go ahead and exit the command shell. And at the bottom right of your screen, you are going to select Restart System. After you restart your system, go ahead and either click or hover and select Help. Your help file is now fully functional. Within the help file, you can use your search option. Search for anything you might be interested in learning. Locking your workplace, how to use a certain function, etc.
Whether you're a seasoned expert or just getting started in medical imaging service, this series on the SOMATOM Go and Syngo Native is designed to elevate your comfort and knowledge of the platform. Click that like, subscribe to our channel, leave me a comment below of any tips, suggestions, or comments. Visit our website at technicalprospects.com and click on that resource tab for more videos like these.